What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis here today with another video for you guys. Yesterday night I got home and I've received a package. Well, I didn't receive it. It was just left on front of my door, but I received, I'm gonna show you guys right now, Hondata Flash Pro. So we're gonna install Hondata Flash Pro on my Accord. Now mind you, my Accord is already on Ktuner. If you don't know what Ktuner is, it's basically this box right here. It's Ktuner, that's Ktuner's box. Little quick difference before we get to unlocking the ECU from Ktuner for my Accord, so I can lock it to the Hondata one. Real big difference is this: with Ktuner, you get this display. It's like a Game Boy Advance. You get this little display screen. On Ktuner, Hondata, you don't get that. Another difference is that Ktuner doesn't have like rolling anti-lag. Hondata does. And I'm hearing that if you want to go for more boost, that Hondata is a better platform to get custom tuned by. So that's the only reasons I went for it, just because of the anti-lag, rolling anti-lag, and people have been making more power out of Hondata than Ktuner. So that's what I'm trying to go for, is power. So power, usable power. So right now I'm basically going to go unlock Ktuner real quick. I'm gonna show you guys, take you along with me, and then we're gonna go ahead and lock the ECU to Hondata and then take it out for a rip. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, well, first things you want to do is connect the display screen, connect your ends. This one's connected to the OBD port, so that goes under here, if you don't know where that goes. The other one is connected to the laptop, which is right here. So right now I'm gonna open Ktuner real quick. Alright, so once you have Ktuner open, we're gonna go ahead and go to tools real quick. Ktuner unit info. See that we have my Accord locked to the ECU. So we're gonna go ahead and unlock it. The other VIN number is my SI, so don't worry about that. So I see on the gauge over here has a option to put factory. So I guess it's different. So we're gonna try that real quick. Let's do that. Let's do that real quick. Let this process, and let's see if it's different between the regular Ktuner, because I know with the one that just goes with the wire that doesn't have the display up here, you can just put return to factory and that's it. It was simple as that. But I'm assuming we have the display, you gotta do it through the display. So we're gonna see right now. I'm gonna let it erase real quick and then I'll get back to you. Just a quick heads up, you're gonna see a lot of check engine lights and all these stability lights and all that. That's normal, don't worry about that. That's because this is flashing everything back to normal. So don't worry about that real quick, leave that alone. Okay, so basically I was right. So once everything's done, you don't do it through the computer like you normally would do it if you just have the little OBD port. You do everything through the display screen. So right now it says to unlock. So basically unlock from the ECU. I'm gonna do that because it has been unlocked. Okay. Let's see what happens. Would you like to lock to this ECU? Oh, no. So, oh, it's already unlocked. So it's already unlocked then, huh? Okay, so it seems like it's already unlocked. I didn't have to do anything else. Once you return back to factory, it's unlocked from the ECU. It's weird. It says unlocked right there in the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hold on, let me see if this focuses. It says unlocked, you see it? So, yeah. Yep, it says it right there too. They just gave me a notification. So we're good to go on this. So the Ktuner part is done, and now Hondata begins. And let's make sure over here. Very good. Let's see if we go to tools real quick, see if it says anything. Come on, man, stop being annoying real quick. Give me a second, let me do this real quick. Okay, and yep, we're good to go. Good to go. That's for the SI, the other one. See how it says different? Before it was locked to 2 ECUs. Now it's good. We're good to go. Let's close this up. Haven't unboxed this yet. I gotta take this sticker out real quick. Once we do that, get to see what's inside. Look at that. Look at that. I can't believe it, bro. Having Hondata now. See how it comes packed. So this is how it comes packed. Like I said, it's just a little OBD thing, kind of like a Ktuner when you just buy the regular one, not the screen. This connects to the LBD2 port, obviously, and then right there it connects to your laptop. So I'm gonna set this up real quick. Let me get the other cable out real quick. Pretty sure it has stickers in there and whatnot, but I ain't gonna look at that right now. I just want to start installing this. So I'm gonna unpack all this, unclip this, and then we're gonna get started tuning. So as you guys can see, I have it connected up. Got the wire connected, got the OBD2 port side connected. Now let's see what we have to do over here. Let's see. Got all these screens open. You gotta download the Hondata app, or if you have Ktuner, you gotta download the Ktuner software, which is Flash Pro. Make sure you download that. I already had it downloaded. I was already prepped for this. So just make sure you go to the Hondata.com and you download Flash Pro if you have Flash Pro, whatever you have. So a part that I didn't see online when I was trying to figure out how to install this, I'm gonna show you this part. Flash Pro, the quick start. You're basically gonna follow these steps, installation steps. It's gonna be one of the windows that pop up, and you're gonna go to register. You're gonna have to register your Flash Pro with Hondata. You have to do that first in order before you can even do anything. And basically, once you do the registry, then you should be able to do the rest of the stuff that we want to do, which is lock the Hondata to the ECU and put the tune on and all that. So this is the step that we're missing: installing the USB drivers, because it's still not letting me register. So once we do that, we should be able to figure it out. Alright, it's saying that should pop up in the bottom. I don't see anything pop up in the bottom. Let me try again. Let's see. Don't see anything. So as you guys can see, I finally got it done. Well, I had to go inside the house and get some help because, yeah, Sophia's good at computer stuff and she figured it out. She had to delete the Flash Pro all over again and reinstall everything. And then she had to go in the files after I downloaded everything because it still wasn't letting me register. And then she figured out what was missing and downloaded that, and then it finally let me register and I did it. So yeah, I'm probably gonna blur that out because I have my address and stuff, so you won't be able to see that, but that's all done. So now we're gonna go up here and see if we can lock this to the ECU. Go to online, lock to vehicle. Okay, let me put the power on the car. I'm gonna connect this OBD2. Okay, boom. There we go. Now it's locking. I was wondering, I was like, why are you trying to make me do it manually? Shit. Okay, that's done. Online. Files. New calibrations. Go to file, new calibrations. Let's see what calibrations they got. Anything opening up? Okay, there we go, finally. Alright, so that's opening up. Let's see something real quick. For 2018. Okay, 2018. No, it's not a 2.0, dude. So 1.5. Manual transmission, 1.5. So they only have stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. Yeah, I guess obviously we're gonna go for the stage 3. Go for stage 3. See what that does. So now I'm on calibrations. Let's see what it has here. The closed loop. Speed limiter. Full throttle shift. Let's put 4800. 4800. Speed limit RPM 6000. Put 200. Not like we're ever gonna go that fast, but whatever. Sensors, idle, throttle, rev hang. Obviously gonna take that out. I don't like that shit. Boost control. Yeah, I'm gonna take that out. You could do whatever checks you want, but I'm gonna take that out. Alright, so I think for now I'm just gonna leave it like that, and then I'll just mess around with it later. So let's put this arrow on top. Upload that. Now saying that I had to download the update. Hold up, give me a second. Finally got it to work. I had to go to the Hondata website, download the second one to Flash Pro. There's 2 downloads underneath Flash Pro. I downloaded the first one. Yeah, I downloaded the second one also, and then boom, now it's working. So now just wait. Once this is done, a whole bunch of lights should pop up and stuff, whatever, you know, check engine light and all that. Once that's done, then this should be finally, the tune should be uploaded, and then finally you guys can see me rip the car, and I'll tell you if it's any better than Ktuner. That's the point of this. See if it's better than Ktuner, because if it's not better than Ktuner, I'm just gonna take it out. See what I was talking about? All the lights are gonna come on. So yeah, I'm gonna let this do this thing. This is pretty much the end of this. If something else pops up, I'll let you guys know, but I'm pretty sure once this is done, the tune is already on the car, and all I have to do is just drive it. So yeah. Alright, I don't know how well you guys see me right now, but literally this is gonna be the first drive on the tune. So far it feels more like when I press the gas pedal, it's more sensitive. Space right now. I'm trying to step on it a little bit in Mexico, but everybody's here right now trying to step on it, so. Can't give you the beans yet. Just give me 1 second. I'll give you the beans. Alright. Let's try this again. Alright. Mind that screechy noise, that's my brake pads. I think I rock one of my brake pads, like where the rotor is at, like it's stuck between, because it's making like. Then I still have brake pads left in the back. Yeah, it feels like more torquey. I think that's the only way I'll be able to compare it to like Ktuner. See if it's better than Ktuner is if I rip it in the highway. But for some reason it feels like the pedal, the gas pedal is like more sensitive. Don't know why. No. When I get more space, I'm gonna turn the camera on again. Right now I got no space.